What's the meaning of Camden? Camden. Camden.
Camden. Camden. Camden is a place name that has different meanings depending on the context. It can refer to a district in London, known for its vibrant nightlife, markets, and music scene. Camden can also be a surname of English origin, meaning enclosed valley. In addition, Camden is the name of a city in New Jersey, USA, located across the Delaware River from Philadelphia. It has a rich history as a manufacturing and shipping center, and now boasts a diverse community and cultural attractions. Overall, Camden is a name associated with urban areas and a sense of community, whether intentional or accidental.